Now for merge, we have two new data frames here called left and right. Let's run this. So on the left, we have three columns, key A and B. Keys K0, K1, K2, K3. On the right, we have key C and D, K0, K1, K2, and K3. So we have the same key column on both these data frames, and then we have different columns. So this merge function allows us to merge the data frames together. Here we can use a column to join the two data frames. So you can use pd.merge and check the signature. We need a left data frame and a right data frame, and then we have an how argument, which is by default given as inner, and then we have on, that is the key we have to pass. So if you check the parameters, we have left and right, and then we have how. This has 4 or 5 values: left, right, outer, inner, and cross. So left means it will use all of the keys from the left data frame. Right means it will use all of the keys from the right data frame. So if there's any key which is in the left data frame but not in the right, that will get ignored. Outer means union of the both left and right data frames, or all of the keys from both data frame will be used for merging. Inner means the intersection, so only the keys which are present in both data frames would be used and the other keys would be dropped. So let's run this. We have data frames name as left and right, so we'll use left comma right. Then for how, we have inner given by default, so we don't need to use it. Here I am using it to show you. And then on, we have this key column in both data frames. So it used the key column to merge both data frames. We have column A and B from left and C and D from right. For K0, it was A0, B0 and C0, D0 here. And then for K1, it was A1, B1 and C1, D1. Similarly for K2, A2, B2, C2, D2 and K3, A3, B3, C3, D3.